fit and healthy. I am your English ma'am Urmil Joshi from Ardent Progressive School. So students, we are doing our revision of English literature. So today I am here with a new chapter. Name is Bird Talk. So today we will do revision of Bird Talk poem that is written by Aline Fisher. The writer of the poem is Aline Fisher. So you have to learn the spelling of Aline Fisher. A-I-L-E-E-N Aline F-I-S-H-E-R Fisher. So the poem is about the talking of birds. How the two birds are talking to each other. They both are sitting on the branch and they both are talking to each other. How they are talking and what they are talking in this poem we will come to know. So I am again explaining you this poem, Bird Talk. There are two birds in this poem. First is Jay and second is Robin. So both the birds, how we talk together and how the birds talk together. In this poem, both the birds think people very funny. They think that the people are very funny because they look different from the birds. वो कैसे लगते हैं? बिल्कुल bird से different लगते हैं. So how they are both are talking to each other. Think said the robin, think said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. So one day both the birds were sitting on the garden and they both are talking and thinking how the people looks. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Now they both are discussing that the people look very funny because they are not having feathers and they don't have wings also to fly because people are looking different from the birds. They don't eat beetles, they don't eat insects also, and they don't grow wings and they are not having any wings to fly. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Like birds, people don't sit on wires. Wires, thin object by that electricity passed. जिससे electricity को हम pass करने के लिए use करते हैं, that thin object is called wire. So they don't like sitting on wires and things also. Birds don't want to think, people don't want to think to sit on wires. Think said the robin, think said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now again they are thinking and they are talking that the people are very funny. They don't eat insects, they don't sit on wires, and they are not having any feathers or wings to fly like birds. So they both are talking about the people and how funny the people looks. So this was the poem and I have written question for you and you will give answers of the question. So first question is here, that is practice worksheet 3 you will do in your notebook. So first question is fill in the blanks. What you have to do? You have to fill the blanks. First is Robin and Jay were sitting in the dash. So where they both were sitting? कहाँ बैठे थे? Sitting in the garden. So you will write garden here. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Robin and Jay were sitting in the garden. So you will write garden in the blank. Second is they both have dash and dash. So what the birds have? The birds, they both have feathers and wings. Feathers and wings to cover their body. उनकी बॉडी को कवर करने के लिए क्या होते हैं? Feathers होते हैं और wings होते हैं to fly. People can't eat dash and can't grow dash. So what you will fill here? People can't eat insects or beetles. So you will write beetle here. B-E-E-T-L-E-S. Beetles. And can't grow wings. You will write wings here. W-I-N-G-S. Wings. People can't eat beetles and can't grow wings. Next is Robin and Jay finds dash funny. To whom they find funny? People, because they both are talking about people, how funny people are. So you will fill here people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Now the last sentence is dash and dash are the two birds. So in this poem, the name of the two birds are Robin and Jay. So you will write Robin and Jay. So again I am telling you, Robin and Jay were sitting in the garden. Next is, they both have feathers and wings. People can't eat beetles and can't grow wings. Robin and Jay finds people funny. Robin and Jay are the two birds in the poem. इस poem में two birds हैं, Robin and Jay. So you have to write this question in your notebook. Now the next question is question number 2. Write sentences on birds using the following words. By using these words, you have to make your sentences. Now how you will make? I have given examples also here. So first word is nest. Nest is the home of birds. So you will make the sentence, the birds make their nest on the tree. Where they made nest? The birds make their nest on the tree. Now next is water. So you all drink water like us. Birds also drink water when they are thirsty. Now the next third one is chirp. Chirp is the sound of birds. Birds chirp loudly in the morning. You all listen the voice of the chirping of birds in the morning time. So you will make the sentence like this. Birds chirp loudly in the morning. Now next sentence is sky. Word is sky. So the birds fly high in the sky. Where the birds fly? The birds fly high in the sky. Now the last word is wings. Birds have wings to fly, but the people don't have wings. Only birds have wings to fly. So here I have written 5 words and you have to write these sentences in your notebook, and you can make your own sentences also with the help of your parents. You can make the sentences of your own, and you can write these sentences from the video also. Now the third question is write rhyming words of the given words. Now you have to write the rhyming words that sounds same. So here I have written some words and you have to write the rhyming words of each word. आपको हर word का rhyming, two rhyming words you have to write. I have written, for example, I have written here, and you can write yours also. So first one is G-R-O-W, grow. Grow means बढ़ना. So what is the rhyming word of grow? No, throw. Rhyming word of grow is no, throw, crow. You can write your own also. So next is day. Day, bay, hay, ray. These are the rhyming words of day. Day को rhyme करते हुए, that making same sounds, you have to write your own words. Day, bay, hay, ray. Jay also you can write the name of bird. Now the third one is think. Think, sink, pink, zinc. You can write here. Next is eat. Neat, heat, beat. These are the rhyming words making same sounds. आप देख रहे हैं सब में same sound आ रही है. and ending with the same letter और same letter से end हो रहे हैं. Now next is funny. Funny, bunny, honey, sunny. So like this you will write the rhyming words. Now last is sing, ring, thing. Sing, ring, thing. So like this you will write the rhyming words of the given words. आपको दिए गए शब्दों का तुकांत शब्द मतलब जिनमें सेम साउंड आती है ऐसे शब्दों को लिखना है. So like this you will write and the same words you can write. If you want to write yours, your own words, you can write grow, know, throw, day, bay, hay, think, sink, pink, eat, neat, heat, funny, bunny, sunny, sing, ring, thing. So this was the exercise. Today we have done practice worksheet number 3 that was based on bird stock chapter, and I have explained you the summary of the poem, how the two birds find people funny, how they find that the people are different from the birds, कैसे लोगों से पक्षी अलग होते हैं, how they are different. And I have given 3 questions here and I have explained also all the 3 questions. First one was fill in the blanks, second was sentences. You have to make your own sentences from the given words and you can make your own sentences also. जो भी आपके mind में आते हैं, you can write yourself. And the third one question is the rhyming words you have to write, and you will write all the 3 questions in your notebook and you will learn. And this is the summary of the poem. You have to learn the poem also. आपको poem को learn भी करना है and you will learn for the exams and you will learn and you will do the exercise in your notebook. So take care. Bye bye. We will meet you soon in our next video. Bye.